Hey, Tristan here. Today we're going to go over special orders for products in RepairDesk. This is neat. Let's say that a customer comes in and they're looking for a device that you don't have in stock. That's what special order for products is for. We'll start in the point of sale module by populating the customer details. The next thing that we need to do is we need to find the product in RepairDesk. We'll select products at the top, and we can find the product either by category or we can just search for it through the All Products tab. We're going to find this by category today. Let's say that a customer comes in and they're looking for an iPhone 15 Plus. Specifically, they want a black iPhone 15 Plus that has 500 gigs of capacity. We can see here that our store has a few iPhone 15 Pluses in stock, but we don't have exactly what they're looking for. The iPhone 15 Plus that's black and has 500 gigs of capacity has an in stock of 0. If I select these three dots at the top, it'll open up an action menu and I can start a special order. A special order is going to be added and you can pair the cost and the supplier. You can populate details like the order link, tracking information. You do want to create a purchase order, that way you can track it going forward. Click Save. You can see here on the left that a line item is populated almost like whenever we create a ticket, but we can't create a ticket. What we're doing here is creating a special order that has an invoice tied to it. If we click Checkout, we'll ask the customer to pay for the order in full, and then the purchase order is created. This purchase order can be viewed by inventory and then special order products, or you can also view it in the purchase order screen. We can see here that the special order is listed here. It has an invoice tied to it, and we can create the goods received note right from the screen. We've already received the product and click Save. Now remember, the customer already paid for the product. We can see that here by clicking on the purchase order and then clicking on the invoice number. They've already paid for it, so I just need to call the customer and let them know that it's here. And that's special order specifically for products in RepairDesk.